Your attention. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, I draw your attention. Please. Vande Mataram. I draw your attention, please. Good morning to everyone present here. Being presented here, I would like to express my gratitude to the honorable and distinguished principal, teachers, guests, parents, and also brothers and sisters. Today, on the eve of the Red Letter Day, we, the citizens of India, gathered here to celebrate the 80th Independence Day of our beloved country India. This is the proud and emotional moment for all of us. On 15th August 1947, our country got its freedom from the British rule. But this auspicious day came after years of struggle, pain, and sacrifice. It is the country, the sacrifice of Netaji, Gandhiji, Bhagat Singh, Maulana Azad, Khudram, and a lot of patriots. It is the country of Vishwakavi, Rabindranath Tagore, Swamiji, J. Basu, Prafulla Chandi, Kalam Sir. They made our country great. It is a country of rich cultural heritage with different colors, religion, language, caste, and many of life. But there is always unity in diversity. Our spirit of unity got us independence, and the same is needed for continuous growth and welfare of the nation. We, as citizens of India, have a lot of responsibilities and duties to restore our country to be a great country. I think we got the freedom marvel from the British rule. But if you true lovers of this country should take without breaking, lynching, tolerance, racism, or more. Let us come and forward our hands to establish our country in reality. We should show the seeds of harmony and peace by giving the greatest effort to make our country proud, great, and prosperous. আমি শেষে একটা ছোট্ট কবিতা আমরা বলো 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 সবে শব্দ বিনা বিরবে বলো 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 সবে শব্দ বিনা বিরবে ভারত আবার জগৎ সবার শ্রেষ্ঠ আসন্ত করবে মহান হবে করবে মহান হবে করবে মহান হবে করবে মহান হবে নবদিনমণি পৃথিবী আবার পুরাতনে পুরবে। Thank you all of you. Have a nice